Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBut143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to format rows and columns in a spreadsheet created in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Open Excel 2007. In my previous tutorial, I have shown how to add rows, columns and cells. Now I want to change width of columns and row height. Normally, to adjust column width, bring the cursor towards the right side border in label area. Then we will get double-sided arrow. Click and drag inward or outward by pressing left mouse button. Similarly, to increase the row height, bring the cursor to bottom border. Again, we will get double-sided arrow. Click and drag, and it will show the resulting height in right side. We can use same process to change width of any column. But if we want to change the width of multiple columns to same size, select the columns by pressing left mouse button. And after this, in home menu, come to cells group, click on the arrow below format. In this drop down menu, please select the option column width, and it will show the current width of each column. Now enter the value based on your requirement. I want to increase the column width. I'm typing 10. Click on OK. Then width of all the selected columns changed equally. Again, to modify them, select the columns, come to format, select the column width. Now I want to reduce the size. After this, if you want to bring the column width to default size, first of all, we need to find the default column width. For that, come to format, click on default width option, and here it is showing the standard column width 8.43. Note down the default width. Again, select the columns, come to format, select column width. In column width, we need to enter the default width value 8.43. Click on OK. Then the selected columns will come into default size. Similarly, to change the height of the rows, select the row cells you want to change. Again, come to format in home menu, select row height. Here it is showing the current height. Simply change the value. Click on OK. Again, to bring them to default size, first of all, we need to find the default row height size. For that, select any unmodified cell, come to format and select the option row height, and we will get the default row height value. Then select the modified cells, come to format, click on row height. Here please enter the default size and click on OK, and we got the default row height. Normally when we entered some data into the cells, it will create some extra space after the text in the cells, and when we print the Excel sheet, it will occupy more space, and sometimes we can't print all the cells we require. For that, we can use autofit option, which helps to remove the extra space after the text in the cells. First, I will use autofit for column width. Select all the data cells, and after that come to format option. In this, please select the option autofit column width, and after this I want to apply autofit for row height. For that, select all the cells. Again, come to format option and select autofit row height. Then all the cells are adjusted with respect to text size in the cells. And if you want to hide rows and columns, first of all, I want to hide the rows. Select the rows to which you want to hide. Come to format option, navigate to hide and unhide, and select the option hide rows. Again, let's unhide the rows. Come to format option, navigate to hide and unhide, and click on the option unhide rows, and we will get back the rows that we have hidden. Similarly, to hide the columns, select the columns, come to format option, navigate to hide and unhide, and select hide columns option. Again, to unhide the columns, come to format option and select unhide columns. Like this, we can format rows and columns in a spreadsheet created in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, and please share this video with your friends, and please visit my channel ITBut143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.